In this video, I'm going to talk about lockdown mode, follow mode, and pausing the system. Pausing is a new feature as of version 3.1. Lockdown mode is useful if you do not have a consistent schedule, if you're traveling, or if you're parked somewhere questionable. Simply send the command lock, and Van Tracker will enable the kill switch, start attempt, and door alerts, and will enable Geofence alerts with the current location as the Geofence home. The status command here shows that Van Tracker is locked down, and here are some example door alert, door open, and start attempt alerts. The unlock command restores all the previous kill, alert, and fence settings. You can send the command follow enable or just plain follow, and Van Tracker will send the van's current location, direction, and very approximate speed about once every minute. Follow disable or unfollow turns off follow mode. The pause command is handy if you need to move the van while the kill switch is active, or if you want to stop getting alerts while the alerts are active. Pause even overrides lockdown mode. Pause is handy if you need to go into work early, or if you're out somewhere late but you're somewhere safe. Normally you'd have to disable the kill switch or alerts and then re-enable them later, but using pause means the normal schedule will resume automatically. Pause by itself pauses the kill switch and alerts for 15 minutes, but you can also send pause followed by a number of minutes. For example, pause 60 for an hour, or even pause 600 for 10 hours. Sending another pause command overrides the previous pause, and unpause or resume immediately resumes the normal schedule.